Mucirithania munene Martha Koome niarikitie gutheria na kwirira a Kenya ati igoti tugiru nirihariirie gugathikiriria Maciira maria makaumana na maumirira ma githurano kia mweri wa kanana. Koome augite ni marikitie guthinga marima na kurunga kuria kungicungiriria kwiyumiria kwa mathina ta maria meyumiririe na gucungiriria guteanirio kwa githurano kia president kia mwaka wa 2017.
Supreme Court was categorical that it nullified the election because IEBC did not conduct the presidential election in conformity with the Constitution and the electoral law.
Oritie a Kenya kwaga gukorwo na nganja o ciothe amu kungikinya kuri na cira ugatwarwo mbere ya igoti ugatuo kuringana na uma na kihoto gutari kwenderera mwena umwe.
The judiciary also gazetted 120 special magistrates to handle election offences disputes, and they have already undertaken their training. Thank you very much to our partners again.
Augite mari mihango-ini ya kuheana mathomo makinyaniru megemaine na wihaririria wa githurano gukwa gikinyiriria ati matire na matanya mati githurano nigigakorwo gigicokerwo.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know how painful it is to nullify an election.
Hamwe noguo Mucirithania uyu augite kamiti ya IEBC ni gakorwo igitariria a Kenya gitumi gia kwaga kurunga kuria kwa nogoma mahitia ta macio mangigecokera.
IEBC will explain to Kenyans how they have been able to look into those issues that were identified by the Supreme Court as difficult. Happily for us as the Supreme Court, we are retreating for training on our preparedness, and we will be engaging IEBC on those issues that were raised by the Supreme Court.
Deto egi aria marahuranira iturwa ngurani na mari na macira magoti-ini matiganite mutongoria wa igoti ria gucokia cira riko Daniel Masinga augite watho ni witikiritie mundu kuhuranira giturwa o giothe angikorwo cira no urathie na mbere. Ona kuri uguo Masinga augite acirithania atatu aria maramurirwo ni megukorwo makiheana mwerekera makiria wigemaine na huraniri aria mari na macira. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.